how to pair the T130S transmitter and T131S receiver. Turn on the transmitter. Press the left button and the right button at the same time. When the icon disappears, release both buttons. Okay, now you can press the left button and the right button to change the channel. From 1 to 49. After setting the channel you want, long press the power button about 3 seconds. When the channel number flash, release the power button. Turn on the receiver. Close to the transmitter. This icon appears on the receiver screen, which means it's looking for a signal from the transmitter. Okay, now you can click the power button to confirm. Look, the receiver's channel and the transmitter channel are the same, which means they pair successfully. Okay, now I will show how to shut down all receivers with one click. When the event is over, you need to shut down the devices. If you have a lot of receivers, shut them down one by one is a pain for you. We provide a simple method. Long press this button about 5 seconds. When you see the off icon appear, all receivers on the same channel as the transmitter will be turned off. You see, the receiver has shut down. Okay.